may I please invite Mr. Amit Rathi and Mr. Shahad to please join us and felicitate our winners who would be walking up on stage for the first few categories. May I please invite you all on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a mammoth task, so a round of applause for our presenters as well who would be joining us on stage. All right, so with that, like I said, the lights are on, the spotlights are on, and it's time we shine a spotlight on our categories, on our winners. But like I said, it's your hoots that we would require to keep up the energy in the air, okay? So with that, let's begin with the first category this evening for Datamatics Awards 2025, which is the Best Data-Driven Attribution Campaign. So can we have the slide on screen, please? The first category being Best Data-Driven Attribution Campaign. And we have divided into gold, silver, and bronze. So here, the gold winner is backed by none other than HSBC Bank, nominated by mCanvas. So can we have the team of mCanvas joining us on stage, the winners this afternoon? Let's give it up for Team mCanvas. They bag it for the Best Data-Driven Attribution Campaign. Yes, we have the representative from mCanvas joining on stage. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, from the first category itself, let's give it up for mCanvas. Many, many congratulations. You all can take the center stage for a group picture, please. Many, many congratulations. Bagging the gold award for Best Data-Driven Attribution Campaign. Congratulations. You've made it to the list. Thank you. We move forward to our next category, which is the Best Data-Driven Marketing Campaign. And we have our silver and gold award here. So the silver for the Best Data-Driven Marketing Campaign is backed by Aditya Birla Capital, nominated by VServe. Come on, let's give it up for our winners, VServe, everyone. Many, many congratulations to the team. May I please invite the team on stage, because it is the teamwork that makes the dream work, right? So congratulations. I would request you to please take the center stage for a picture. Many congratulations. It's time we move forward to announcing the gold winner in this very category. And it is backed by Bango, nominated by Tutler into WPP Indonesia. Let's give it up for Team Tutler into WPP Indonesia. Many congratulations. You'll bag the gold award for Best Data-Driven Marketing Campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, we need your applauses and your hoots for our winners. Many congratulations. Well, with that, we move forward to our next category, which is Outstanding AI-Driven Content Creation. And the gold award goes to Ugrow Capita, nominated by One Native Studio. Many congratulations to the team. May I please invite One Native Studio team to join us and bag their gold award. Many, many congratulations. Your absolute moment of victory, your absolute moment of glory. Yes, we love it. We love those applauses. All right, with that, we move forward to our next category, which is Best Hyperlocal Marketing Campaign. And the gold award is backed by Sangeeta Mobiles, nominated by MIQ Digital. Let's give it up for Team MIQ Digital. May I please invite the representatives, the team, to join us on stage. You win a gold award for the Best Hyperlocal Marketing Campaign. Come on, where are the hoots, everyone? Let's give it up for Team MIQ Digital. Many congratulations. Well, let's ensure we get a fantastic picture clicked. Moving to our next category this afternoon is Best Influencer Camping Measurement and Transformation. Well, the gold winner right here is Vari, nominated by Aptruve. Come on, let's give it up for Aptruve. May I please invite the team of Aptruve to join us to bag their gold award for the Best Influencer Camping Measurement and Transformation. Come on, our winner walking up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the energy up in the air. Congratulations. Well, it's their hard work and resilience that has made them come here and join us for accepting these awards. So congratulations to you all. With that, I'd like to thank our presenters for joining us here and doing the honors. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, before we move forward to the next category, I'd like to invite our prolific presenters for the next category. May I please invite Mr. Vivek Law and Bijoya Ghosh to join us to give away the next set of awards. Come on, let's give it up for our presenters. Yes, we need your energy. Come on, everybody. Well, applauses work just like karma. You know, the more you give, the more you get. So come on. Welcome, ma'am. You're going to be the presenter along with Mr. Vivek for the next category. Well, with that, let's announce the Best Purpose-Driven Digital Initiative. First up, we'll be announcing the bronze winner here, and it is backed by Ecozar, nominated by Idea Lake. Come on, let's give it up for Team Idea Lake. Many congratulations. Winners making their way to reach us on stage. Please join us and take the center stage. Many congratulations. Well, let's ensure we get a picture click, so you can take the center stage, please. Well, in case you all are posting these pictures onto your social media handles, please use the hashtag Datamatic Awards 2025 and do not forget to tag us at @Gully. The hashtag for the awards will be Datamatics Awards 2025. Well, under the same category, we have the silver winner as well, and the award goes to Catch Foods. So can we have the team join us on stage? Do we have the representative here? Yes, they're right here. Many congratulations. Come on, the left side of the hall. Why are we so quiet? Let's give it up for our winner walking up on stage. Many congratulations. You bagged the award for silver for the Best Purpose-Driven Digital Initiative. Also, our presenters and winners walking up on stage, we'd request you to please take the center stage for pictures. And of course, we now move forward to announcing the gold winner under this very category, the Best Purpose-Driven Digital Initiative. And the gold winner, it goes to PNG Shiksha, nominated by Tutler and Publicis India. Let's give it up. They are the gold winners for this very category. Our winner all suited up, walking on stage. Many congratulations. Come on, we'll also love some hoots, alright? So you can hoot also for our winners on stage. Yes, that's the hoot we require. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the Best Data-Driven TV Camping. And right here, the Silver Award is backed by Aditya Birla Capital, nominated by M Canvas. So can we have the team of M Canvas join us on stage? Many, many congratulations. You'll bag the Silver Award. Well, I think we should double up the applause. Once again, Team M Canvas on stage. Congratulations, you made it to the list again. Many congratulations. We hold on to this category because we also have a gold winner under this very category. And it is backed by none other than Swiggy Food, nominated by Pivot Roots, a Havas company. Many, many congratulations. You'll have made it to the list, bagging the gold award for Best Data-Driven TV Camping. Well, let those happy hormones flow in the room. Come on, let's give it up one more time. Many congratulations. All right, with that, we move forward to announcing the next category this afternoon, which is Best Programmatic Mobile Camping. And all right, before we move forward to the next category, we'll first like to thank our presenters for joining us for these categories. We'll move forward to inviting our next presenters on stage. May I please invite Mr. Deepak Karnani and Mr. Mihir Mehta to join us for felicitating the next set of awardees. Let's give it up for our presenters joining us on stage. Thank you for joining us here. And with that, we move forward to announcing the next category this afternoon, which is the Best Programmatic Mobile Camping. And the Gold Award is backed by none other than Jungli Rummy, nominated by WeServe. Let's give it up for Team WeServe, everyone. Many, many congratulations. They bagged the Gold Award for the Best Programmatic Mobile Campaign. Sir, I would request you to please take the center stage for accepting this award. Many congratulations. Let's give it up one more time. Congratulations, you've made it to the list. Next up, announcing our next category, which is Best Use of Contextual Targeting. Ladies and gentlemen, the award right here, which is the Gold Award, goes to Raymond into Madison, nominated by MediaCard. Come on, let's give it up. Many, many congratulations to the team. You've made it to the list. Congratulations. Well, they bag the Gold Award right here for the best use of contextual targeting. Raymond into Madison, Team MediaCard, many, many congratulations one more time. Congratulations. We now move forward to our next category, which is the best use of branded content agency publisher. And the Gold Award is backed by Edelweiss Money Connect, nominated by One Native Studio. Many, many congratulations to the team, One Native Studio. Well, yes, that's the kind of applause and that's the kind of foods we need in the room. The team is back again on stage, so I think we should gallop up our applause one more time. Double up our applause. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category, which is the best use of AI in marketing campaigns. And we have a gold and a silver award here. So first up, we will be announcing the first winner right here, which is the silver award, which is backed by De Beers Forever Mark, nominated by Silver Push. Come on, let's give a huge round of applause for Team Silver Push. Many, many congratulations. Our winners all suited up, walking up on stage. Congratulations. Well, yes, let's ensure we click a fantastic picture together. Many congratulations to the team. I see some fantastic smiles on stage. Congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing a gold winner in this very category. Any guesses? Anyone? Okay, so let me do that. Well, the award, the gold winner right here is Philips Home Appliances, nominated by Taboola. So can we have the team of Taboola on stage? Congratulations. You'll have made it to the list, bagging the gold award for the best use of AI in marketing campaigns. Many congratulations. We move forward to our next category, which is Excellence in Cross-Channel Data Integration. And the gold award goes to Alpenliebel Mango Pop Fills, nominated by AnyMind Group. So can we have the team of AnyMind Group join us on stage? Come on, we need that energy, everyone. Let's give it up for team AnyMind Group. Many congratulations. Congratulations. And before we break for lunch, we will be announcing the last category for this afternoon, which is Excellence in AI-Driven Lead Generation Campaign. And the silver award here goes to, once again, Philips Home Appliances, nominated by Taboola. So can we have the team of Taboola join us back on stage? We should double up our applause. Come on, everyone. Congratulations. You'll have made it to the list, bagging the silver award for Excellence in AI-Driven Lead Generation Campaign. I'd like to invite our presenters to join us on stage to give away the first set of awards. So may I please invite Mr. Chirag Shah from Anaptix Gaming Media and Mr. Rahul Banerjee from Mad Over Donuts to join us and be the official presenters for the first few set of awards. Come on, let's put our hands together for our presenters joining us on stage. Okay, so with that, let me take a cue from the audience. We are set? Yes, and from our presenters, are we all set? Okay, so with that, we begin with the first category this evening, which is the best data-driven attribution campaign. And the one who bags the gold award in this very category, it goes to HSBC Bank, nominated by mCanvas. Come on, let's give a round of applause for the team of mCanvas. Can we have the team of mCanvas join us on stage? You have made it to the list, bagging the award for the best data-driven attribution campaign. Well, I did mention that we have a house rule, right, of applauding our winners walking up on stage. So come on, let's keep that energy high up in the air. Many congratulations to you. So you all can take the center stage, please, for a picture. Thank you and many congratulations. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the best data-driven user acquisition strategy. Well, we have a silver and a gold award here. So first up, we'll be announcing our silver winner. And the silver winner for this category is backed by none other than Zepto, nominated by Veve. Come on, let's give a round of applause and let's welcome the team of Veve, who are the winners for the silver award, the best data-driven user acquisition strategy. Come on, let's keep the applauses going, everyone. Many, many congratulations. We now move forward to announcing a gold winner in this very category, and it is backed by none other than Domino's, nominated by InMobi Advertising into HiveMind. So let's welcome our team of InMobi Advertising and HiveMinds to please join us. They bagged the gold award for the best data-driven user acquisition strategy. Come on, we would need your hoots. Come on, everybody, let's give it up for team InMobi Advertising into HiveMinds. Many, many congratulations. Many congratulations. We now move forward to announcing our next category, the best use of location-based data in marketing. And the one who bags the silver award, it goes to DMart, nominated by Ethnos Digital Marketing. Let's give it up for Ethnos Digital Marketing. Can we have the team join us on stage, please? Come on, I don't know why are we so serious. Let's have some warm smiles in the room, everyone. Well, the best use of location-based data in marketing, silver. I'd like to swap that with Durian, nominated by Ethnos Digital Marketing. Many, many congratulations. All right, with that, we move forward to announcing the gold winner in this very category. And it is backed by none other than Goodyear, nominated by Single Interface. Let's give it up for team Single Interface. Many, many congratulations. Do we have the team of Single Interface in room? Anybody? All right. Do we have anybody from Momentous or Tyro in room? You all can join us to bag this award. Okay, in the meantime, we'll come back to that award later. Let's move on to our next category for this evening, which is the best ROI-driven digital campaign. And we will be beginning by announcing the silver winner in this category, and it goes to Upstock, nominated by WeServe. Come on, let's give it up for WeServe. Team WeServe is right here. Let's put our hands together. Many, many congratulations to you. Well, they bagged the silver award in the best ROI-driven digital campaign. Congratulations. Well, now we move forward to announcing our gold winner in this very category. And ladies and gentlemen, it is backed by none other than Mammy Poco Pants, nominated by Team Pumpkin. So let's give a round of applause for Team Pumpkin. Come on, let's keep that energy up in the air. Do we have our representatives from Team Pumpkin? Yes, they're right here joining us on stage. Many, many congratulations. Yes, y'all can take the center stage and let's ensure we click a fantastic picture. All right, with that, we move forward to our next category, the best use of behavioral data in marketing strategy. And we have a bronze, a silver, and a gold winner in this. First up, we begin with a bronze winner in this very category, and it goes to KFC Epic, nominated by Any Mind Group. So let's give it up for Any Mind Group. Many, many congratulations. Can we have the team join us on stage? I don't believe the energy is so palpitating. Come on, let's give it up one more time and let's keep their energy up in the air. We'd love to hear some hoots as well. So come on, let's do it for them. Thank you so much. We now move forward to announcing the silver winner in this category. And it is backed by none other than Narayana Health, nominated by Innocean Worldwide Communication. Let's give it up for Team Innocean Worldwide Communication. Well, do we have the representatives? Many congratulations. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up one more time. Fantastic. Okay, we now turbocharge to announcing the gold winner in this category. And it is backed by none other than Kotak 811, nominated by Pivot Roots, a Havas company. Come on, let's give it up for them. Many congratulations. Well, let's keep those celebrations, those hoots louder in the air. Many congratulations. You'll emerge as the gold winner in this very category. Well, in case y'all are also posting these pictures, do not forget to use the hashtag Datamatics Awards 2025. All right, we now move forward to announcing the next category, which is the best use of data and audience insights. We will be beginning by announcing our silver winner here, and it goes to Kia, which is nominated by WeServe. So can we have the team of WeServe join us back on stage? Well, I think the applauses must double up. Come on, let's give it up for them. Many, many congratulations. You'll emerge as the silver winner for the best use of data and audience insights. Congratulations. We now move forward to announcing our gold winner in this category. And the award goes to Mashreq Bank, nominated by 0101. So can we have the team of 0101 join us on stage? Many congratulations, because you all emerge as the gold winner in this very category. Congratulations. Congratulations, team. And it's now time we shine a spotlight on our next category, which is the best use of data for brand lift measurement. And the gold award goes to Kotak 811, nominated by Serivan. So can we have a loud round of applause and some hoots? Yes, we love that energy. We love that excitement. Congratulations to the team of Serivan. You'll bag the gold award for best use of data for brand lift measurement. Yes, we urge the team to please join us together, because it is the teamwork that makes the dream work. So can we have a louder round of applause for the entire team of Serivan? Congratulations. Let's ensure we get a perfect picture clicked. Fantastic. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time we move forward to our next category, which is the most effective data-driven email marketing campaign. And the Gold Award is backed by Cars 24, nominated by none other than Global Media. So let's give it up for Team Global Media. Come on, I need to see some excitement in the room. Let's give a round of applause and keep that excitement. And let's cheer for our winners walking up on stage. Congratulations to the team of Global Media. Thank you and many congratulations. Well, it's now time we shine a spotlight on our next category, which is the best use of mobile attribution for financial inclusion. And the one who bags the Gold Award is none other than Bank Sathi, which is nominated by Aptrove. So can we have the team of Aptrove join us on stage? And some hoots and applauses for a winner walking up on stage. Many congratulations. Well, all right. With that, we now move forward, taking the strings of celebration forward. Announcing our next category this evening is the best use of data agency publisher. And the one who bags the Gold Award in this category is backed by Tata Capital, nominated by Ethnos Digital Marketing. So let's give it up for Team Ethnos Digital Marketing. Some excitement. Come on, everybody. Let's give it up for Team Ethnos Digital Marketing. I think we should double up that applause, right? Because they're walking up on stage again, bagging the Gold Award for the best use of data agency publisher. Many congratulations to the entire team for making it to the list. And now we move forward to announcing our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Data-Driven Marketing Automation. We have a Silver and Gold Award here. So first up, announcing a Silver winner. It is backed by Kashi, nominated by Mobups. So let's give a round of applause for Team Mobups. I would request you to please join us on stage and bag your Silver Award for Excellence in Data-Driven Marketing Automation. Congratulations. We now move forward to announcing our gold winner in this same category, and it is backed by Bandhan Mutual Fund, nominated by 0101. Once again, Team 0101 joining us on stage. Well, come on, let's give it up for them one more time. Many, many congratulations. Fantastic. We have the entire team joined, I believe. I hope the audience members are also clicking good pictures, and if you do so, do not forget to tag us at @Gully. Post it onto your LinkedIn accounts with our winners on stage. Congratulations on that massive feat. With that, we'd like to thank Mr. Chirag and Mr. Rahul for joining us and doing the honors. Let's give a round of applause for our presenters as well, please. All right, before moving to the next category, I'd like to invite our esteemed presenters on stage. May I please invite Mr. Jairaj Jadhav from 0101 and Mr. Paras from Mobinet to join us to be our presenters for the next few set of awards. Let's give it up for Mr. Jairaj Jadhav from 0101 and Mr. Paras from Mobinet. All right, our presenters are here. Are we all set? Right? Okay, so with that, let me resume by announcing our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Data-Driven Mobile Video Marketing. And the one who bags the Gold Award is backed by Boomer, nominated by Anymind Group. So let's give it up for Anymind Group one more time. Many congratulations. I would urge you all to please take the center stage. Congratulations on that massive feat for bagging the Gold Award in Excellence in Data-Driven Mobile Video Marketing. Moving forward to our next category this evening, which is the Best Interactive Mobile Camping. And the Gold Award, it is backed by Tata Soulful, nominated by mCanvas. So can we have the team of mCanvas join us on stage? They bagged the award, the Gold Award for Best Interactive Mobile Camping. Come on everyone, why is the energy so low? Let's give it up for Team mCanvas joining us on stage. Congratulations. Your absolute moment of victory. Congratulations, ma'am. With that, moving forward to our next category this evening, which is Best Mobile User Acquisition Strategy. And the Gold Award is backed by MoneyView, nominated by WeServe. So many congratulations to the team WeServe. Can we please request you to join us on stage and bag your Gold Award for the Best Mobile User Acquisition Strategy. Congratulations on that feat. Thank you, and many congratulations. With that, our next category this evening is the best use of CTV advertising for performance marketing. And the Gold Award goes to Baygon Max, nominated by mCanvas. So can we have the team of mCanvas join us back on stage? Many congratulations. Come on, let's give it up for them one more time. Fantastic. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the best use of affluent audience targeting. And the Gold Award, it goes to De Beers into Harvest Media, nominated by MediaCart. So let's give it up for Team MediaCart joining us on stage. With those wide smiles, please, let's join on stage and y'all bag the award right here. Many congratulations to the team. Congratulations. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the best event-specific mobile ad camping. And the Gold Award is backed by Philips Kitchen Appliances, nominated by Silverpush. So can we have the team of Silverpush join us on stage? Many congratulations on that massive feat. Many congratulations. With that, we move forward to our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Data-Driven Social Media Marketing. We announce a silver winner for this category, and it goes to none other than State Bank of India. So can we have the team join us on stage? They bagged the silver award for Excellence in Data-Driven Social Media Marketing. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, where are the applauses? Let's give it up for our winners walking on stage. Congratulations. We now move forward to announcing our gold winner in the same category. And it is backed by none other than Voltas AC, nominated by MIQ Digital. So let's give it up for Team MIQ Digital. Do we have the representatives in room? Okay, come on. Let's give it up one more time for Team MIQ Digital. Many, many congratulations. Fantastic, fantastic. Yes, you all can take the center stage. You can step a little ahead. So we ensure that we get an excellent picture clicked together. All right, many congratulations. Moving forward to our next category, which is Excellence in Data-Driven Mobile Marketing, announcing the Bronze Award for this category. And it is backed by Motilal Oswal Investment Services, nominated by Veve. So can we have the team of Veve join us on stage? Come on, let's give it up for them one more time. Congratulations, team. Well, we also have a silver winner in this very category. And it is backed by, put your hands together for Nivea, which is nominated by VServe. So can we have the team of VServe join us on stage? Let's give it up for them, everyone. Well, you can step a little forward so that we ensure we get a picture clicked. Many, many congratulations to the entire team. With that, we move forward to announcing the gold winner in the same category. And ladies and gentlemen, the Gold Award for Excellence in Data-Driven Mobile Marketing is backed by Gomo Plus Multi-SIM. It is nominated by none other than Tutler into WPP Philippines. Come on, let's give it up for them, everyone. I need some energy in the room. Come on, we need your applauses. Many congratulations, team. All right, with that, we move forward to our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Omni-Channel Marketing. And yes, we also have the Bronze, Silver, and Gold awards for this category. So first up, announcing a bronze winner this evening for this category is backed by HDFC Mutual Fund, nominated by Mob Avenue Media into Performix. So let's give it up for Team Mob Avenue Media into Performix. Let's give it up for them. Many, many congratulations, team. Congratulations on that feat. We now move forward to announcing the silver winner in this category. And it is backed by none other than Plum, nominated by Team Pumpkin. So let's give it up for Team Pumpkin one more time joining us on stage. They bagged the Silver Award for Excellence in Omni-Channel Marketing. Do we have the representatives from Team Pumpkin? Okay. Sir is right here to join us. Many congratulations. All right, so with that, we now move forward to announcing our gold winner in this category. Our gold winner in this very category is backed by Swiggy, which is nominated by none other than Team M Canvas. So let's give it up for M Canvas, everyone. Can we have the team of M Canvas join us back? You'll bag the award, the Gold Award for Excellence in Omni-Channel Marketing. Come on, everyone, we need your applauses. We need your hoots for our winners walking up on stage. Fantastic feat right there. It's your resilience and hard work that gets you the Gold Award for this very category. Congratulations. Thank you. With that, we'd like to also thank our presenters, Mr. Jairaj and Mr. Powers, for joining us and doing this honors for us. Let's give it up for them. That was a mammoth task. Thank you for joining us. All right. With that, we move forward to announcing the next category this evening. But before we do that, I'd like to invite our presenters to give away the next set of awards. May I invite Mr. Aditya Singhal from Amazon MX Player and Mr. Siddharth Barman from MobUps to join us to give away the next set of awards. Come on, some applauses for our presenters as well. All right, with that, we move forward to our next category this evening, which is the most creative use of data-driven storytelling. Again, we have the Bronze, Silver, and Gold Award for this category. First up, beginning with the bronze winner for this category, it's backed by Kia India, nominated by Innocean Worldwide Communications. Let's give it up for them one more time. Congratulations, your absolute moment of glory. Congratulations for bagging the Bronze Award. Yes, we love that energy. Come on, everybody. All right, moving forward to announcing our next winner this evening, the silver winner for the same category and is backed by YSL, nominated by Anymind Group. So let's give it up for Team Anymind Group right here sitting and joining us on stage. Many congratulations. The left side of the hall is very quiet. So come on, let's give it up for them. Team Anymind Group bagging the Silver Award for the most creative use of data-driven storytelling. I would request you to please step a little forward so that we get a picture clicked together. Fantastic. Moving on to announcing the gold winner in the same category. And it is backed by Cetaphil Sunscreen, nominated by iAvatars Digital. Let's give it up for Team iAvatars Digital. They bagged the Gold Award for the most creative use of data-driven storytelling. Do we have the team in room? Anyone from iAvatars Digital? All right, so we'll come back to that a little later. Moving on to announcing our next category this evening, which is the best performance through data-optimized storytelling. And the one who bags the Gold Award, it's backed by Lactocalamine, nominated by M Canvas. Come on, let's give it up for them. They emerge as the gold winner for the best performance through data-optimized storytelling. have the team quickly join us on stage? Well, an absolute golden moment for the team. They have bagged the Gold Award for the best performance through data optimized storytelling. Congratulations to Team M Canvas. With that, we move forward to announcing the next category this evening, which is the best overall mobile marketing campaign. The one who bags the Gold Award is Angel One, nominated by VServe. So can we have the team of VServe join us back on stage? They bagged the Gold Award for Best Overall Mobile Marketing Campaign. Many congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category, which is Innovative AI Solutions. And the one who bags the Gold Award, it's backed by none other than Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited. So can we have the team of Motilal Oswal Financial Services join us on stage? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, come on. Where are your applauses? Where are the hoots? Let's appreciate all our winners walking up on stage. Many congratulations on that massive feat. I would request you to please step forward. Well, let's keep those happy hormones flowing in the room because it is a celebratory evening indeed. Many congratulations. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the most effective data-driven retargeting campaign. And the one who bags the Gold Award is backed by Paytm, nominated by Global Media. So let's give it up for Global Media. They emerge as the gold winner for the most effective data-driven retargeting campaign. Come on, let's give it up for them. Many, many congratulations. Well, come on, let's have some hoots, everyone. Come on, let's give it up one more time. Thank you so much. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the most effective data-driven user acquisition strategy for the Gold Award. The Gold Award goes to, and it's backed by Aditya Birla Mutual Fund, nominated by 0101. So let's give it up for them one more time. Many, many congratulations. Many congratulations, team. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category this evening, which is the most effective retargeting campaign. We have the Silver Award to be announced first. The Silver Award for this category is backed by none other than Ajio and Vibrant, nominated by InMobi Advertising. So let's give it up for team InMobi Advertising, everyone. Come on, let's put our hands together. Can we have some hoots, please? Come on, the left side and the right side of the hall. Let's applause and cheer for all the winners walking up on stage, because next time, you never know, you might be walking up on stage, right? So we need your energy and your applauses for our winners. Congratulations. Would request you to please step a little forward. Congratulations to the team. Well, we also have a gold award in the same category. So the one who bags the gold award for the most effective retargeting campaign is backed by Swiggy, nominated by Ethnos Digital Marketing. So let's give it up one more time for Team Ethnos Digital Marketing joining us on stage. Many, many congratulations. Come on, why is the energy so low? Let's give it up one more time with all your hands up in the air. Congratulations to the team. Fantastic. Yes, that's the energy that we need. All right, we move forward to announcing the next category with this evening, which is the most innovative use of customer data. And the one who bags the silver award, it goes to and is backed by Kia India, nominated by Innocean Worldwide Communication. So let's give it up for Team Innocean Worldwide Communication. They emerge as the winners right here for the silver award for the most innovative use of customer data. Congratulations, team. Fantastic feat. Congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing the gold winner in the same category, and it's backed by VIP, nominated by none other than First Economy. So can we have the team of First Economy join us on stage, because y'all emerge as the winners as the gold winner for the most innovative use of customer data. Let's keep those applauses going. Our winners walking up on stage, First Economy. Congratulations. Well, with that, we'd also like to thank our presenters, Mr. Aditya and Mr. Siddharth, for joining us and doing the honors for us. Let's give it up for our presenters as well. Thank you. Well, all right. Now it's time to invite our esteemed presenters for the next set of awards. So may I please invite Mr. Mihir Mehta from 0101 and Mr. Benedict Hayes from Ethnos to join us as our presenters for the next set of awards. Mr. Mihir all surprised when we announced his name as the presenter. All right, we move forward to announcing the next category this evening, which is the best use of data-driven influencer marketing. And the one who bags the silver award is none other than Shell, which is nominated by Anymind Group. So let's give it up for Team Anymind Group. Come on, let's keep this applause going. Congratulations for emerging as the silver winner for the best use of data-driven influencer marketing. All right. With that, we move forward to announcing a gold winner in the same category. And the one who bags the gold award for the best use of data-driven influencer campaign is none other than State Bank of India. So can we have the team of State Bank of India join us on stage? Do we have the team here? Okay, they're right here. Let's give it up for State Bank of India, emerging as the gold winner this evening. Moment of glory. Many, many congratulations on achieving that feat. Well, all right. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category this evening, which is the best performance marketing campaign. We announce the silver award first. The silver winner is backed by McGraw Hill, nominated by Team Pumpkin. So let's give it up for our winner, Team Pumpkin. I would request you to join us on stage. You'll have emerged as the winner, the silver winner for the best performance marketing campaign. Come on, let's give it up one more time, everyone. Many congratulations, team. We move forward to announcing the gold winner in this very category. And it is backed by none other than 1xBet, nominated by WeServe. So let's give it up for Team WeServe. Many, many congratulations. Well, the award ceremony is legendary in a way, so you'll have to keep your applauses that way. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the multi-channel marketing, 4 channels or more. We begin by announcing a silver winner, which is backed by Amazon MX Player, nominated by Pivot Roots, a Havas company. So let's give it up for Team Pivot Roots, a Havas company. Come on, let's put our hands together louder, everyone. Many, many congratulations to you. Many congratulations, team. Well, taking those strings of celebration forward to announcing our gold winner in the same category. And it is backed by none other than Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited. So can we have the team of Motilal Oswal Financial Services join us on stage? You'll bag the gold award for multi-channel marketing, 4 channels or more. Come on, let's keep those hoots going on, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic, massive feat. Congratulations, team. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Real-Time Data-Driven Marketing. We have the Bronze, Silver, and Gold Award for this category. So beginning with announcing the Bronze winner for this category, which is backed by LG Microwave, nominated by Silver Push. So can we have the team of Silver Push join us on stage? Come on, let's give a round of applause for them, everyone. Many, many congratulations for emerging as the Bronze winner for excellence in real-time data-driven marketing. Many congratulations, team. Well, with that, we move forward to announcing our silver winner in the same category. And it is backed by Kashi, nominated by Mobubs. So can we have the team of Mobubs join us on stage? Many, many congratulations. You'll emerge as the silver winner for excellence in real-time data-driven marketing. Come on, let's give it up. Let's give those applauses for our winners. They absolutely deserve it, everyone. Congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing our gold winner in this category, backed by Voltas Air Conditioners, nominated by Tutler into Havas India. So let's give it up for Team Tutler and Havas India joining us on stage. Many, many congratulations. Come on, let that energy flow from that side of the hall towards this side, because they have emerged as the gold winner for excellence in real-time data-driven marketing. Fantastic. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category, which is the best use of technology. And the one who bags the silver award is backed by none other than ACES, nominated by Hybrid. So can we have the team of Hybrid join us on stage? You'll bag the silver award for the best use of technology. Come on, let's give it up louder, everyone. Yes, the team is joining us on stage. Congratulations. Fantastic. With that, we move forward to announcing our gold winner in the same category. And it is backed by Licious, nominated by Mob Avenue. So can we have the team of Mob Avenue join us on stage? Many, many congratulations. Let's give it up for Team Mob Avenue, everyone. I need your energy. We have some more few awards to go. So let's keep that energy intact throughout the room. Thank you so much. Many congratulations. And we'd also like to thank Mr. Mihir and Mr. Ben for doing the set of honors for us. Let's give it up for our presenters as well. Thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's said that we do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all the power within and inside ourselves already. So here's to celebrating that power. With that, inviting our next set of presenters on stage to give away the awards for the last few awards that we have in queue. So I'd like to invite Mr. Deepak Karnani from Seer1 to join us. I'd also like to invite Bijoya Ghosh, founder and CEO at Gully, to join us as our presenter for the next set of awards. Let's give it up for them, everyone. Fantastic. All right, presenters, are we all set? Ready to invite our winners? Okay. Announcing the next category this evening, which is Excellence in AI-driven led generation campaign. The Gold Award is backed by Paytm Money, nominated by Ads Flourish. So let's give it up for Team Ads Flourish. Come on. Many, many congratulations to the team. Congratulations on that massive feat. All right, moving forward to our next category, which is Excellence in Data-Driven SEO Strategy. And the Gold Award is backed by Policy Bazaar, nominated by Ethnos Digital Marketing. So can we have the team of Ethnos Digital Marketing join us on stage as you bag the Gold Award for Excellence in Data-Driven SEO Strategy. Well, we have the entire team. Come on, let's keep that energy intact and applauses for the entire team. Congratulations. Fantastic. Many, many congratulations on that achievement. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category, which is the most innovative AI-powered email marketing campaign. And the Gold Award is backed by Tata Capital, nominated by 0101. So can we have the team of 0101 join us back on stage? Many, many congratulations. You'll emerge as the gold winner for the most innovative AI-powered email marketing campaign. Come on, let's give it up for them one more time. Many congratulations to the entire team. All right. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the Best Publisher First-Party Data Platform. And the Gold Award here is backed by JSW, nominated by Global Media. So let's invite the team of Global Media back on stage. Congratulations, you'll emerge as the gold winner for the Best Publisher First-Party Data Platform. Come on everyone, we need your energy towards the stage. Let's give it up for them. Fantastic, congratulations. Well, we now shine a spotlight on our next category, which is the Best Mobile App Install Campaign. And the Gold Award, it's backed by Paisabazaar, nominated by WeServe. So let's give it up for Team WeServe, joining us back as they bag the Gold Award for the Best Mobile App Install Campaign. Wow, fantastic. We now have the entire team, so let's give it up for the entire team of WeServe. That makes the dream work. So thank you for joining and many, many congratulations. With that, we now move forward to announcing our next category, which is the Best UX UI for a Digital Brand Experience. And the Gold Award is backed by Generali Central Insurance, nominated by Idea Lake. So let's give it up for Team Idea Lake sitting right here. Many, many congratulations. Come on, we need your energy. Let's give it a check. You all can take the center stage, please. Well, congratulations, team. Well, before we move forward to announcing the next category, may I also please invite Mr. Raj Swaminathan from Global Media to join us as a presenter along and join both our presenters on stage. May I please invite Mr. Raj Swaminathan as our next presenter also. Let's give it up for him. All right, moving forward now to our next category this evening, which is Excellence in Real-Time Data-Driven Campaign. And the Gold Award for this category is backed by Tanishq, nominated by Tutler and Team Red Hot. So let's give it up for Tutler and Team Red Hot. Yes, I would urge you all to take the center stage, please. Everyone, let's give it up for them. I need your energy, everyone. Come on. Many congratulations. We now move forward to our next category, Excellence in Measurement for Analytics Capability. And the one who bags the gold award is Standard Chartered Bank, nominated by Integral Ad Science. So can we have the team of Integral Ad Science join us on stage? Let's give it up. Many, many congratulations. Fantastic and a massive feat indeed. With that, we move forward to our next category, which is the overall use of programmatic in a marketing campaign. We have the bronze, silver, and gold award for this category. Announcing the bronze winner this evening is backed by Kotak Mutual Fund, which is nominated by Athenos Digital Marketing. So can we have the team of Athenos Digital Marketing join us back on stage? These has been some reigning awards for Athenos Digital. Congratulations, team. They emerge as the bronze winner for overall use of programmatic in a marketing campaign. All right, time to announce our silver winner in the same category, and it is backed by Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, nominated by Ads Flourish. So can we have the team of Ads Flourish join us on stage? Come on everyone, let's give it up for Team Ads Flourish. They emerge as the silver winner for the overall use of programmatic in a marketing campaign. Congratulations. With that, we move forward to announcing our gold winner in the same category. And it's backed by Bajaj Chetak, nominated by MIQ Digital. Let's give it up for Team MIQ Digital. Many congratulations. We have the entire team join us on stage. Would request you all to please take the center stage and step a little ahead. Congratulations. Our next category this evening is the best use of technology by an agency. And the one who bags the silver award is Piramal, IPIL and OMD, nominated by MediaCart. So can we have the team of MediaCart join us on stage? You'll bag the silver award for the best use of technology by an agency. Come on, our last few awards to go, but your energy has to be intact. Let's give it up for Team MediaCart. Many, many congratulations. Well, we'd like to thank Mr. Raj for joining us for these set of awards. Thank you. And I would now like to invite Mr. Vishnukant Gokul from the Leapfrog to join us as our presenter, along with our other two presenters on stage to give away the next set of awards. Come on, let's give it up for Mr. Vishnukant Gokul. Thank you for joining us. All right, we are set for the next award this evening, which is the Gold Award for the best use of technology by an agency, which is backed by Mafo, nominated by Mobubs. So let's give it up for Team Mobubs one more time. Reigning awards, yes, we can see that sign of victory. Congratulations, team. Emerging as the gold winner for the best use of technology by an agency. Congratulations. Fantastic. All right, we now move forward to announcing the next category, which is the Media Planner of the Year Agency. And the Gold Award goes to Amit Makhija, nominated by Pivot Roots, a Harvest Company. Let's give it up. Many, many congratulations, bagging the Gold Award for the Media Planner of the Year. Well, Mr. Amit Makhija from Pivot Roots, a Harvest Company, bagging the Gold Award for the Media Planner of the Year Agency. Many, many congratulations. All right, our next award this evening is Media Planner of the Year Brand. And the Gold Award goes to Mohit Khanna from Bajaj Finserv. So let's give it up for Mr. Mohit Khanna. Many, many congratulations. Do we have Mr. Mohit in room? All right, we'll come back on that award a little later. But till then, we'll move forward to announcing our next category, which is the Excellent Publisher Site Data Platform. And the Gold Award is backed by IRTB, nominated by Mobubs. So let's give it up for Team Mobubs one more time. Many, many congratulations. Reigning awards for Mobubs. Congratulations. Fantastic. Congratulations. Moving forward to the next category, which is the Best Data-Driven Marketing Platform. The Gold Award for this category goes to PrismX. So can we have the team of PrismX join us on stage? They emerge as the gold winner for the Best Data-Driven Marketing Platform. Come on, we need your energy, everyone, towards the stage. Team PrismX winning the Gold Award for the Best Data-Driven Marketing Platform. Thank you. Well, thank you, Mr. Gokul, for joining us here, for doing the set of awards for us. May I now please invite on stage Mr. Ankit from HSBC to join us as a presenter for the next few set of awards, along with the two presenters on stage. Let's give it up for Mr. Ankit. Thank you for joining us here. With that, we move forward to announcing our next category, which is the Data Tech Consultancy of the Year. And the Gold Award goes to 0101. Many congratulations, emerging as the Data Tech Consultancy of the Year. Yes, can we have the team of 0101 join us on stage? Come on, many, many congratulations. We need those golden applause because they emerge as the golden winners for the Best Data Tech Consultancy of the Year. The entire team of 0101 on stage, congratulations. Congratulations on that massive feat, fantastic. Well, we have one more person joining us on stage from 0101 for a picture to be clicked. So let's ensure we click one more picture with the entire team. Okay, we have one more person joining in. Two more, okay. Okay, let's give it up for the entire team of 0101. They emerge as the gold winners for the Data Tech Consultancy of the Year. Fantastic, congratulations. With that, moving forward to announcing our next category, which is the Mobile Marketing Platform of the Year. And the Gold Award goes to AnyMind Group. Many congratulations, the gold winners for the Mobile Marketing Platform of the Year. Come on, 2 more awards to go, but we need your energy. Let's give it up for AnyMind Group. They emerge as the Mobile Marketing Platform of the Year. Fantastic. Congratulations. With that, our next category this evening, which is the second last category this evening, is the Best AI Tech Agency of the Year. Any guesses who's going to emerge as the Best AI Tech Agency of the Year? Anyone? Okay, let me announce that the one who's the Best AI Tech Agency of the Year, it goes to Mob Avenue. So let's give it up. They emerge as the gold winners for the Best AI Tech Agency of the Year. Many, many congratulations. Let's give it up for Team Mob Avenue. We move forward to announcing the last category for this evening, which is the most creative use of data-driven storytelling. The one who bags the gold award in this category, it's backed by Cetaphil Sunscreen, nominated by iAvatars Digital. Let's give it up for Team iAvatars Digital, emerging as the gold winner for the most creative use of data-driven storytelling. Yes, it is the last award, but we need your energy for our last winner here on stage. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations to all the winners. With that, we'd also like to thank our presenters. I'd like to thank Mr. Ankit, Bijoya, and Mr. Deepak for doing the set of honors for us. Let's give it up for our presenters as well. Not an easy task, right? Thank you so much. Well, I would urge all our winners to please stay back with us because we'd love to get you all clicked together, all our winners together for a group photograph. But before that, once again, as we wrap up the 4th edition of the Datamatics Summit and Awards 2025, I must say it has been nothing short but an extraordinary experience. I must say that we've had an incredible convergence of thinkers, revolutionary ideas, and the shared commitment to taking our industry forward. Once again, a heartfelt thanks to all our speakers, our partners, and of course our attendees for joining us here and making this event truly a memorable and a successful one. And we eagerly anticipate our next gathering very soon. With that, a final round of applause for all of you for joining us here and making the 4th edition of Datamatics Summit and Awards a truly memorable and a successful edition. This is your host, Priya Shamankar, signing off from this evening. But before we close up, I would like all our winners to please join us on stage. Our photographers are waiting here because we'd love to get your clicked together. Please get your shining trophies on stage. All our winners on stage, please. Everyone. Can I please invite our winners to join us on stage? It's time we get your clicked together. Everyone, all the winners in the room and also all the winners who have just stepped out, I would request you all to please join us in. We'd love to get all our winners clicked together.